Are you needing some great gift ideas for that hunter in your life? The one who has everything! I'm gonna share with you the best hunting gifts that 2021 has to offer, and they can all be found on Amazon. I've broken the gift ideas into 4 categories: clothing, tools, tech, and cooking. And if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna share with you a bonus category that is sure to blow your hunter's mind. Without further ado, I'm Junie the Orange Huntress. Welcome to my channel, and let's get into our first category, clothing. If your hunter's just starting out, they're gonna need everything. And depending on what climate you live in, like here in Canada, they're going to need many layers. A good insulated dry wick underlayer is perfect for your hunter in cold weather. They're also gonna need some good hiking boots or some really good snow boots. Get everything camouflage, everything. Camo is always a good option. And if you have cold weather hunters, be sure that you get gloves with fingers or a mitten with a trigger finger option. And if your hunter hunts with a rifle, they're gonna need orange. They're super important for safety. Dry wicking socks or socks made with merino wool are a great option to keep your hunter's feet warm. Or if they're gonna do lots of hiking, then compression socks are great for aiding in circulation. You could get a piece of clothing from their favorite hunting YouTuber or hunting brand. Something that has a cool hunting saying or something cheesy. That's always my favorite. Or why not invest in some fun camo PJs for your hunter? Let's head into the second category, tools. These first few items that I'm gonna share with you can range from anywhere between $100 or over $3,000. So find something that works good in your budget and that's a little bit better than what they already have. You could get them new binoculars or a rangefinder or a really nice bow or rifle. I personally like the idea of making things into baskets. You could put some things like ear protection, hand and foot warmers, some scent away spray, unscented personal care products, some animal calls, pop in some broadheads, pop in their favorite ammo, and you can even combine them with a bit of a bigger item as well. Here are some tools that can make life easier in the field. A bino caddy, a shooting stick, a camelback, a game scale, a rope or a deer drag, a knife sharpener, gutting gloves, or even game bags. If your hunter doesn't already have a knife that they love working with, then I'm gonna give you some options of knives that they could try. It's multi-purpose, stationary. There's even really good flip knives. My personal favorite, one with replacement blades. You're probably like, Junie, how much more could there be? Well, there's more. Why not a really good backpack to carry the meat they're gonna bring home from the field to fill your freezer with? Yes, that would be amazing. That's what my husband's asking for. On to category number 3, tech. Some things in this category I have never heard of before. Lighted Nox or an ozonic system. If you have no idea what that is, check out the links down below because they're probably gonna do a way better explanation than I will. If your hunter has private land, then maybe you should invest in some good trail cams. To go along with that, some lithium batteries, an SD card reader for their type of phone, and some memory chips. A good headlamp is essential for early morning and late night hunting. And if you hunt in warmer weather climates, then a thermocell is gonna keep those bugs away. However, if you live where the air hurts your face, then investing in heated products are a really good option. Now on to my favorite category, cooking. If your hunter is anything like me, the sky's the limit when it comes to cooking. Big items such as a dehydrator, a smoker, or a barbecue could make your hunter very happy. I am very happy. If they're into processing their own meat, maybe they need a grinder or a sausage stuffer or a vacuum sealer with some bags. You can never go wrong with some good butchering or filleting knives and a knife sharpener. Some other fun practical gifts that you could get or put in a basket would be things like jerky or resealable wax bags. A fun tumbler or mug or cup, a cutting board with a cookbook. I also like the idea of a really nice serving platter or dish, some really good seasonings, or even a slow cooker or instant pot. Guys, if you've stuck around this long, you are amazing. So let me share with you that bonus category. Why not a guided hunt in a different region or country for that animal that they have just been longing to go after? Sorry, honey, not this year. Well, I think you have a lot of gift options for that hunter in your life. A big shout out to the ladies hunting group I'm in. They shared a lot of these ideas with me. May your harvest be plentiful, your freezers full, and your gifts received with joy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next week.